Hey everybody, this is Cordelia Blake, and today I want to give you an Ecom 101 tip about how to title your product listing. So whether you're creating a new product that's a bundle or private label or something you've sourced wholesale, when you're creating that product listing, you want to try to name the first 5 words of your title the most important thing that people are searching for related to what you're selling. Now, you always want what you're selling to be a good match for the title because you want people to click and buy. But how do you figure that out? So there's a really cool feature that is common to both Google and Amazon, which is called auto-populate. And you can actually see what people are typing in. This is completely free. There are tools like Merchant Words and Helium 10, which will give you some of this information aggregated. But I say at least start with the free and go from there. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say that you're selling a science mug and you want to have it be, it's a science teacher gift. So if you're here in Amazon, then you can go ahead and just type in science teacher, and then it's going to, as you're typing, it's suggesting what you should type. And so you can see here that people are going to click what they're looking for. If they're buying a gift for their science teacher, they're like, oh, you know what? I want to buy a coffee mug. My science teacher loves coffee mugs. So if you were trying to target this customer, the person buying a gift for the science teacher, then the first 4 words of your title should be science teacher coffee mug. Now, it doesn't have to be that. You can see some of the top ranking listings here don't actually say those words. But if you're the new kid on the block and you're trying to break into this search phrase, then you want your science mug to say science teacher coffee mug. And then you could say like caffeine molecule or something like that. So this is how you title your listings. Now, let me show you something else. First of all, you might have noticed that I get more suggestions on mine. That's because I use this free Chrome extension called Amazon Suggestion Expander. So I like that. If you don't use it, you'll still get auto suggest, just not quite as many. Now, one thing I've always heard is you don't want to rely too much on what people are searching for in Google, because they tend to be learning all about, I mean, they could be looking for science teacher training or science teacher jobs. So it's too broad for buyers. But what you can do is go to Google Shopping and do the same thing with auto-populate. And you can see that if you're in the shopping section of Google, when you start to type words in, it auto fills in stuff that's related to shopping. And so here we get mugs, shirts, gifts, shoes, things like that. So then you can go in and see what people are searching for that is related to what you're selling. So that is my quick tip for titling your product, is think about the customer that you're targeting and look for those exact 4 or 5 words in your title to match exactly what people are searching for. For more information about how to write great listings for Amazon, you can go to scannersociety.com/classes. We have a great class on listings, and we also do coaching and consulting. But in the meantime, title your listings what the first few words are that people are already searching for. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you.